everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Daily Analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, July 31st, 2012. Well, a change of trend today and a candle with a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading we had this spinning top doji type candle, and I suggested there was a strong possibility of a change of trend because of the indecision as highlighted by that candle. Today that change of trend has occurred, so confirmation of that spinning top doji type candle being quite important for this market after this very strong rally. A large black body candle today. It's been a while since we've seen a black body of this size, and it does suggest that there could be further downside to this market. The sellers have closed with very strong control of this market for the day by closing down towards the low, and they've built some good solid downside momentum throughout the day. Some decent support, however, down at 1378, and that's an important area that we should be watching tomorrow. Could be very strong support around here, roughly around this 1380 to 1378 area, previous resistance, and the market strongly sold off, and it does have potential to be strong support. So tomorrow let's look to that area. Down to the 1370 area, previous resistance area, could hold as very strong support, and then down to the 1360 area to 1356, where we have the Tenkan-sen trading, and below that the Kijun-sen at around 1350. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're now looking at the relationship of the current downtrend that the market has just begun to the prior time the market was trending down, and here today we're seeing the market close just below the 23.6% level, not an important level, only a minor level, but we still could see the market bounce off this area and that area hold a support. But I think it's more likely that the market will test to lower levels. We have this new trend that was established with the sellers strongly in control, so the 38.2% area is the first we should be looking at 1372, then possibly down to the 50% area at 1366. If we see any strong upside price rejection coming in around these areas and the buyers attempting to take control of this market, then we could see a possible change of trend to the upside and the market trading up to higher levels, perhaps even up to 1400. But at the moment the sellers are in control. We don't have any sign that this 23.6% area is going to hold. So let's wait and see how the market reacts to these other areas at 1372 and 1366. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend, and here we have the market not interacting with any areas yet, so there's a likelihood that we will test down at least to the 23.6 and possibly down to the 38.2%, which are at 1377 roughly, and then down to 1367. So a possibility we could see the market trading down to there. And this 1360 area looks to be quite important. It's the 50% level, and it coincides exactly with where the Tenkan-sen is trading, so that will be an important area if the market does continue selling off. In terms of Ichimoku, we still have a market that's bullish in all three time frames. We have the market trading above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, so the market's bullish in the long term, medium term and fast term time frame, and the Chikou span is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in this market. So overall we have a market that's quite bullish, but in the short term we have a market that's retracing back towards the Ichimoku indicators. As I mentioned yesterday, this market looked a little overextended. We had the indecision in the market as we tested above the previous high after these very solid bullish days. The market is now retracing this first time frame uptrend, and the Fibonacci levels and these swing highs and swing lows have given us important areas to watch over the next few days. Just one thing to be aware of is that the Kijun-sen here has turned flat, and very often when it turns flat, price action is attracted back towards there. It's still flat. There's a strong possibility the market will be attracted back towards there. Might not trade all the way to there, but strong possibility that we will have some continued downside. Let's look for any upside price rejection from these areas of support that I've highlighted today, and if we do see buyers coming into this market, it could suggest potential for a change of trend back to the upside.